In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a logo clickable in Webflow tutorial. Making your logo clickable is a small change with a big impact. It helps users quickly return to your homepage and reinforces good navigation patterns they expect across the web. We'll walk through it in a simple, reliable way using a link block in Webflow, and I'll share a few tips to keep your layout and accessibility intact. First, open your project in the Webflow Designer and head to the page or template where your logo lives. Most sites keep the logo in the nav bar or header, so start there. Make sure you're in the designer, not just the preview, so you can edit elements. Next, click on your image or logo to select it. You should see its blue outline and its element type in the top left of the canvas, typically image or SVG. If the logo is part of a component or symbol, double-click to edit within it. This ensures you're changing the source so the update applies site-wide. Now open the Add panel. You can click the plus icon in the left toolbar or press A on your keyboard. In the search field, type link block. A link block is a container that can hold other elements and turn them into a single clickable link, perfect for wrapping a logo without changing its styling. Click link block to add it to the canvas. Place it near your logo, then drag your logo element into the link block so the logo sits inside it. If your layout shifts, that's usually just the link block picking up default display behavior. You can match its display and sizing to your original logo container in the style panel. Set it to inline block or block as needed, and remove any default padding to keep the spacing identical. With the link block selected, go to the link settings panel on the right. Customize the destination. Choose a specific page, a URL, a section on the page, or your home page. If you're linking to an external site, use the full HTTPS address and consider enabling Open in New tab. For accessibility, add a concise link label like Go to Homepage so screen readers announce a meaningful action rather than just image. That's it. Your logo is now clickable. Switch to Preview to test the interaction and make sure the cursor changes to a pointer on hover. If everything looks good, publish your site to push the update live. Congratulations. You've just improved your site's usability with a quick, professional touch.